Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to it. So, as I'm sure you can already see, it kind of looks like last time. So I'm trying this again. You can have another go at it. I liked how it turned out, but it wasn't quite what I was looking for. So I'm going to do things just slightly differently this time. Let's see, here we are. I've watered down the paints just a tiny bit more so they'll run a bit. The colander and the funnel is the same sort of setup. I have put a bit of WD-40 on the funnel for no other reason than hopefully the paint will stick to it and it'll flow a bit better. One thing I did do, I'm cheating a little bit. You can't see it, of course, because it's underneath the canvas, but the canvas is not resting on 4 pins on the corner like usual. It's actually resting on a can of tuna, and that's giving a bit of an incline towards the corners in hopes that I'm going to move the paint in that direction, outwards. And I'm going to do a dirty pour, just like last time. So the colors, I've got green, tiny bit of black, blue, purple, and I had a little bit left, red and silver. And when I get down to the bottom of the jar like that, I'll just go ahead and mix it right in the bottle itself. So first things first, let's go ahead and get a cup ready with the paint. And I'm putting this in no particular order. And again, with the paint, oh, it's not just red. I put some pink in it too, so it'll be a very bright red. As I was saying, with the paint, the only additives are water and PVA glue. I didn't add anything else, because I'm not looking to get any cell formation. I mean, if it happens, it happens. That's fine. But that isn't my intent in this case. Alright, that cup's ready to go. I think I'm going to go ahead and do a second cup, just to be safe, because I want to make sure that I've got the paint full coverage, and so I'm going to use a fair amount of paint. I'll start with pink, or purple rather. Pour in the black. Oh, might as well finish that off. That's it. Alright, that should be more than enough. And so I'll go ahead and do the same sort of thing I did last time, which is just dumping or swirling the paint on the funnel in a circular fashion. And we'll see what we get. Well, it looks nice on the funnel. Well, the paint is definitely moving faster. No argument there. My goal, I'm hoping to not have to move it or to tilt it around or anything of that nature. Hopefully I centered it. I get the feeling maybe I didn't, but that's alright. And we'll move on to the second. hard not to pour it too much, but I'm not used to working with paint quite this runny. But so far it looks like I might be achieving my goal. I might have to swish it around just a little bit. And that's okay. Yeah, it's going on one side, but over on the handle side, it's not going anywhere near as fast. I suspect my table is just a little lopsided. All right. Let's try to get that up and out without too much of a mess. Just going to influence a little bit because there's a lot of paint on there. So it should take, oh, that's peculiar. I got some cell formation there in the blue and the purple. Just trying to influence a little bit here. That might have to be a little more aggressive, I guess. That's all right. Trying to do it in a circular sort of motion. And of course not wearing gloves because I was hoping to not have to do this, but that's all right. Paint washes off easy enough. Oh, got some air bubbles there. Just going to get the sides here. This tiny bit of corner. Make sure I've got full coverage. Now I got to take care of those air bubbles. Centered on that can of tuna. Alright, let's see. I'm going to try torching it. That should probably get rid of those pesky air bubbles. Actually, you know what? I've got a little skewer stick thing here. Let's see if that'll do it. Okay, that's fine. That's good for me. Well, I like how this turned out even better than the first one I did. It's still not quite what I was going for, but I do like how that looks quite a bit. The purple and the blue and the sort of orangey, bluish, whatever on that side. I do like it quite a bit. Alright, well, I don't need to let it sit. In spite of the fact that some cells did form, I'm not expecting any more to form. So that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you again for watching, and I will see all you wonderful people next time.